Today, January 10, Microsoft stock almost made an all-time high. We could see that the previous all-time high was made on November 29 on this day at $384.30. And today, we barely made it there. You can see here as we zoom in on the candle. You can see here barely touching it. And so is this resistance price level going to hold Microsoft down, or will Microsoft make all-time highs? In this video, we will analyze the unusual options activity from yesterday, because yesterday we detected unusual options activity was quite significant, and the wealthy investor who got in at a very good time. You can see that today's rally up, we broke out of this consolidation zone here that Microsoft was trading in for the entire month of December, and we finally broke out today. And so this day on January 9, yesterday, we detected a wealthy investor trading unusual options. January 9, this is what we do. We also analyze historical data to find out what could potentially happen to stocks in the stock market. 350 strike price puts. There was 3,000 volume. And the 375 strike calls, there was also 3,000 volume, and the 405 strike calls, also 3,000 volume. So what was this wealthy investor doing for the March 15th? Let's analyze their trade. Okay, so this is the trade here. 350s, we believe they had sold the 350 strike puts, used this credit to help finance the calls at the 375 strike calls and the 405s that they sold, a vertical call spread. And so when we analyze this trade, you can see that this is what their trade looks like. Currently, Microsoft is trading at 382. This is the profit loss diagram, the zero here. If the blue and purple lines are above the zero, that means this trade is profitable. If it's below, it is a loss. And so as the price of Microsoft goes up, you can see that this becomes profitable. If it goes down, it becomes a loss. So this is a bullish long trade with a positive 48 delta and a positive theta. So there is no time decay risk on this trade. And most significantly is that because they had sold these 350 strike puts naked, this is essentially like a cash secured put. There's essentially saying they're willing to own 100 shares of Microsoft at 350. So each of their contracts requires $35,000. And since they did 3,000 contracts, this was a $105 million trade going bullish on Microsoft. So it's no wonder that today Microsoft stock popped out of this consolidation zone. Okay, so this is how we analyze and use this strategy to predict stock price movements. And so if you are interested in the stocks in the market, that have this kind of data where the chance of profit is much higher than Microsoft, then go to our website to learn how you can join and gain access to our membership where we share exclusive content and stock picks of the unusual options activity that the wealthy traders are trading. As usual, please smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and let us know in the comments below if you think Microsoft will be making all-time highs by the expiration cycle of these options, March 2024. Thank you and take care.